good morning all. Hope all of you are fine and doing great. So every day we study a lot of subjects, right? We study accountancy, basic numerical skills, human resource management and a lot more. So all these subjects, all these stuff, they are necessary. They're necessary for a job or for occupation, they are necessary. But there are some other values or some other aspects of life which we have to inculcate within ourselves. Okay, nobody is going to come and teach you or conduct an examination for you. There are things which you have to inculcate within yourself. So there are many such values and today we will study just one of them. Okay, and that is self-confidence. So you all know what is self-confidence, isn't it? So what is self-confidence? So I'll just explain it with a small example. Just imagine a bird sitting on a tree. Okay, just imagine a bird sitting on a tree. Is it afraid of the branches breaking? Is it afraid? No, isn't it? It is not afraid. Why? Because its confidence or its belief is not in the branches but on its wings. Even if the branches break, they can fly away with its wings. Now I would say that is a perfect example for self-confidence. So where should we place our confidence? Our confidence, it should always come from within us. We should not place them on our achievements or on our material wealth or on the position where we are. Because one day, if you lose all of them, then they boost your confidence. So where should be your confidence? It should always come from within yourself. Okay? Now for this confidence to come from within yourself, how can confidence come from within yourself? For that, always love yourself. You start loving yourself. Because when you start loving yourself, your mind stays with you. And when your mind stays with you, you will be confident. Okay. Now I'll discuss some tips to develop your self-confidence or to boost up your self-confidence. So the first one is stop comparing yourself with anyone else. Okay, I repeat, stop comparing yourself with anyone else. Now I know that your parents will be always tempting you by saying that look at the other Andy's child, she's very good in studies. Okay, look at the other boy, he's good in athletics, and they'll be always tempting you by saying all these stuff. But I would say just avoid it. Okay, just avoid it. Because everybody is awesome. You're awesome. The other child is also awesome. So everybody is awesome in their own ways. Isn't it? You know at what you are good at. Okay? Just try to excel at this and then you will be amazing. You already are amazing and you will be more amazing. Okay? So try to stop comparing yourself with anyone else. Okay? The second one is always try to learn new things. Okay? Now you can read an article from a newspaper or try to grab information from wherever you get. Because knowing that you can do something or you can say something, the more will be your confidence. So always try to learn new things. And the third one is celebrate your small victories in life. Now all of us have small victories in life, isn't it? Now for example, now you got good marks in your examinations. It is not such a great victory, but you might have spent hours studying late night, or you might be worried and tense in the examination hall, and at the end of the day, you have scored good marks. So it is indeed a small victory, isn't it? So try to celebrate those small victories, and then you will realize that even without you knowing, you are building up that aspect of self-confidence within yourself. Okay, so try to celebrate the small victories in life. And the last one is count your own blessings. Okay, now it is not about what we don't have, isn't it? It is always about what we have. You have eyes, you have ears, you have legs, you have hands, you are beautiful, you are great, you are awesome, and you are irreplaceable. So always love yourself, be yourself, and be the real you and be confident. Okay, so stopping us, again we'll sum up everything. So first one was stop comparing yourself with anyone else. The second one was celebrate your small victories in life. The third one was always learn new things in life. And the last one was count your blessings. So try to inculcate this within yourself. It will definitely help you in your long run. Okay, so today we'll stop here. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.